channel. Hope everybody's had a safe Labor Day weekend so far. I'm heading out to one of my favorite spots pretty close to the house down in the Oconee National Forest land. I'm going to try to get a little overlanding day trip in and possibly take a hike down to the Ocmulgee River. Chattahoochee Oconee National Forest is made up of a few 10,000 acres and is just south of Jackson, Georgia. Like I said, it's a pretty short drive from my house. I come out here quite a bit. You could spend all day riding on trails, and I don't think all the years I've been coming down here I've been on every one of them. But it's a good place to come down if you're a hunter. You can hunt during hunting seasons. You could kayak, canoe in the Ocmulgee River. I mean, as long as it's open to the public and as long as you maintain the lands and take care of it. As I was saying, I've been coming down here for years. There's never been a time that I haven't come down here and seen some form of wildlife. I mean, there's deer, there's wild hog, fox. I mean, you name it. If it's in Georgia, you've seen it. Check out this old homestead. I don't know how old it is, but the property's got several buildings on it. Somebody's actually still living in that, so I don't know if that was passed down from family generations. It's kind of creepy. Got a lot of recent clear cuts in here and controlled burns. I know right through here they timbered some of the land and they put up a cell tower. It's a shame. This used to be very, very thick through here, and it just felt like it just, real shady, trees on both sides of the road. But I understand that clear cutting does somewhat help the ground to reseed and everything else, but it's just a shame when they come in here and cut it. It just makes it look kind of like a wasteland. If you're familiar with this area, they've actually opened up a lot of the roads that have been closed for years. So if you've been through here and it's been a while, you should come see what roads are open now. There's a lot of places that for years I couldn't get down, at least not by vehicle, that are now open to vehicle. We couldn't have picked a better weekend to have such blue skies and great weather. So we made it to the trailhead. This is this is actually part of the horse trail network that's through the Chattahoochee Oconee. So you can see it's beaten down pretty good. But it does go, I guess it's about a 2-mile round trip hike. So, you get out here early enough when it's cool. it's good exercise, and it's just getting outside. Everybody needs to take an adventure and just get outdoors. In my opinion, we get so consumed with the everyday commercialized way of life that real adventure is when you find it. It's not going to pay to go somewhere and see things. It's just getting out and finding those things on your own. Now, I did see a couple of horses come in, so we may get to see a few horses out here. Just hope they don't scare off any of the wildlife. If you're watching my videos or following me on Instagram, please understand I'm not an expert in any of this. My commentary and content is strictly from my perspective. So if you're new to overlanding or wanting to get into overlanding or adventure travel, you don't have to have an outfitted rig such as my Ram 2500 to get out and overland or adventure travel or explore. Okay, you can use your own vehicle. What it is, it's just the willpower of getting out there. Now, don't get me wrong. Having a four-wheel drive or a little bit ground clearance friendly suspension will get you out a little bit further and in some more remote areas. But that's not needed. I mean, my build on my truck is a combination of two things. First of all, I'm a car guy, so I just like to modify and improve. Second is I am an outdoor enthusiast. I enjoy hunting, hiking. Me and Mrs. Southbound Expeditions were a part of the Georgia Hikers Club, Georgia Canyons Hikers Club. So we do like to get out and do hikes and enjoy nature. Well, it looks like I might have caught up to our horses. Hopefully I won't spook them. I ain't gonna scare them if I walk by now, am I? Okay. Oh, okay. As long as I won't spook them. I just jumped 2 deer. I don't know if you saw them come this way. Yeah, jumped them both.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't mean to. I'd like got them on film, but unfortunately I didn't have the camera on.
But I think that they heard you or the deer because...
Oh, I can go around. I just didn't want to spook them.
I think you'll be all right as long as...
I'll go around. I don't want to...
As you talk to us, they know that you're just a person. But the deer, or my horse, kind of put her ears up and looked over that way when we were down at the river, so they probably heard you.
No, I was just... Well, I was talking to the camera some, and then walking, and then all of a sudden I heard something. 2 of them jumped. 2 does jumped up. They went 2 different directions, but one beeline this way, and the other went back that way. So
we didn't see them.
Yeah, they're out here. I guess it's just warm enough for them to start bedding down now.
Maybe.
All right, y'all enjoy the rest of your day.
Safe travels.
Recording and not paying attention, you have to watch out. It's like landmines out here. It looks like we finally made it down to the river. Let's see if we got any company. Like I said, this is a spot a lot of people like to bring their horses out and let the horses in the water, but it's also a very, very nice secluded spot that if you want to get out here and swim and make it hard for people to find you, this is definitely one of those places. And the water is really, really low. And nice sandbar. You can just about, at this section of the river, walk almost all the way across. As a matter of fact, you probably could walk all the way across as low as the water is. And man, I'd love to get in there, but I didn't bring any swim trunks or anything. Well, we finally made it back to the adventure ram here, and I'm I'm so glad we did. I'm ready to get in that truck and just cut the AC on. What started off as a pretty cool morning, it definitely got warm pretty quick. Like a dummy, I forgot to bring water with me. The fuel stop I normally stop at to get fuel was closed this morning, so I had to stop at another fuel location, and I guess I was just sidetracked. So all those calories I just burned off, I salute you, because this Dunkin' Donuts frozen coffee is still cold, and this is probably going to make up for every one of those calories I just lost. I just got back to the house. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. And until the next adventure, we'll be seeing you.